What's your name?
2.
How old are you, Adam? Okay, what are you playing today?
I'll play
Ice cream! This is an ice cream cone play set from Melissa and Doug. And Adam today is going to make ice cream. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Adam, why don't you make yourself an ice cream cone?
I'm green candy over there.
Okay, why don't you scoop the chocolate ice cream onto the cone? Go!
Yeah.
Okay. And you put ice cream onto the cone. Can I get a chocolate ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fell. Alright, let's put it on the cone. Okay, can we get vanilla, please?
Yeah.
Adam, use the scooper. Nice. Okay, which one is Adam's favorite ice cream flavor? Which one?
Eagle.
What is that?
It's a banana.
Vanilla. And then which one do you want to eat first?
Yeah.
Come on, go ahead. Take a bite. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the chocolate. Yum! Let's put another scoop onto the chocolate ice cream cone. Now let's put strawberry. Is there a strawberry flavor?
Yeah.
Can we get a strawberry?
Yeah.
Can we put it on top of the chocolate ice cream cone?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. And is there another flavor we can add to that?
Yeah.
Which one? What flavor is that, Adam?
Chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip.
Make chocolate chip.
Okay, can we put it on top of the ice cream cone? Okay.
Yes. Get it. Go. Digging. Num. Num num.
Okay, why don't you give one to, you want to give one to Elmo?
Yeah.
Where's Elmo?
Something.
Okay, how about, okay, who are we going to give this ice cream to?
Yeah.
Who are we going to give it to? Adam,
Appa.
who are you going to give the ice cream to?
Me.
Thomas, right? Where's Thomas?
Choo choo.
Let me see, let's see Thomas.
I do the airport.
What do you want?
Airport.
Who is that?
It's an airplane.
You're going to give the ice cream to the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see, which one are you going to give to the airplane?
Airplane very straight.
Can we see the airplane? Put it over here, Adam. Put it on the table. Alright, let's see the airplane. You want to turn it around? Let's turn it around. Turn the airplane around, Adam. Turn it around. Turn it around, Adam. So this is the airplane, right? Right? You want to open up to take the shape? Are there shapes in the airplane?
Yeah.
Let's take the shapes out. Oh, what is this? What shape is this? What is this, Adam? What do you have? Which one is this? Adam, what shape is this?
If I did this.
What shape do we got? Do we have? Okay.
A shape.
What shape is this? Tell me, what shape is this right here?
A circle.
What is this one?
A square.
And what is this one?
A heart.
And then this one? What is this?
One.
What is that again?
Triangle.
Good. And what color is the triangle?
Blue.
And then what color is the heart?
Red.
What color is the square?
Yellow.
What color is the circle?
Green.
Good. Now, why don't you put it in the airplane?
Yeah. Two. Mhm.
Good job. Now, are you gonna give an ice cream to the airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, give the ice cream to the airplane. Which one is the airplane's favorite ice cream flavor?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about Thomas? Which one is for Thomas?
Equal.
Where's Thomas?
Right here.
Oh, there you go, Thomas. Adam, why don't you put Thomas next to the airplane? Put Thomas next to the airplane, like over here. Okay, that's nice. So what flavor is Thomas eating?
Thomas is eating this.
What flavors are they? What ice cream flavors?
Over here.
What flavors are they?
Over here.
What is it?
A subway.
And then?
Chocolate.
Okay, and what about the airplane? What flavor of ice cream is the airplane eating?
Chocolate chip.
Red chocolate chip, and then?
Banana.
Vanilla. Okay, alright. Everybody has their ice cream, so why don't we put the ice cream back? Let's put the ice cream back. Alright, that's it. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.